President Biden has dismissed suggestions that he further escalated tensions with Russia when he said Putin should be removed during a speech in Poland. It's as he unveiled a new minimum tax targeting billionaires in his $5.8 trillion budget request to Congress. Our Washington correspondent Annalise Nielsen filed this report from the White House.
World leaders, including UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson as well as French President Emmanuel Macron, have described the comment from President Biden that Vladimir Putin should be removed as unhelpful. The backlash has been severe, with Russia seizing on the comments for its own propaganda. The president responding in a press conference.
I'm not walking anything back. The fact of the matter is I was expressing the moral outrage I felt. I want to make it clear. I wasn't then, nor am I now, articulating a policy change.
President Biden has released his budget request with money allocated for the military and policing. But unlike the Australian budget, the power to enact the president's budget lies with Congress, which will almost certainly ignore his requests. The least popular aspect will be his proposal to tax billionaires a minimum of 20%. While there'd likely be some support to target their income, Biden's proposal would introduce a tax on unrealised capital gains. That includes assets like stock or property, which right now can't be taxed unless they're sold and there's actually been a profit realised from the asset. The proposal says the 20% minimum tax would only apply to US households worth more than $100 million, which right now is about 0.01% of all Americans. The White House estimates half of the revenue generated by the tax would come from 700 billionaires and would reduce the deficit in the US budget by $360 billion. While the budget proposal does promise to reduce the $3 trillion US budget deficit, that's mostly through the levying of this billionaires tax, which right now remains unpopular with both Republicans and moderate Democrats. Annalise Nielsen, Sky News at the White House.